How to find Binance wallet address. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do that. So for this, just simply open up your spot wallet of your Binance account and wait for it to load. And after it is opened up, just simply click on this option of deposit. Then select the option of deposit crypto. And here it will ask you to select the coin. Now select any coin of your choice for which you are looking to find the address for. Suppose I want to find the address for USDT, I will select USDT and then select the network. Here you can get different variations of addresses according to the coin. Just select any of the address which is required by you. Suppose I am looking for BSC smart chain address, so I will just select this one. Then I will get the address for my Binance, for USDT and for Binance Smart Chain network. In a similar way, I can change this particular coin as well. Now, suppose I want to find the address for BTC, I will select Bitcoin over here, then select the network. And there are various networks according to your needs and preferences. Suppose the network is Bitcoin, I will select Bitcoin and the address will be shown over here for Bitcoin and the network. This way, you just have to select the coin and network and you will get the address for that particular respective coin. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.